Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Trinity Stamps, and today I'm going to be doing a product close-up for the brand new Summer Blooms paper crafting kit that Trinity have released. This is a first for us over at Trinity, and it is a floral paper crafting kit, and it's just wonderful. So these are the items that you're going to get. The kit's going to come in a large bag to keep it all secure. You've got 4 mini ink cubes from Ink on 3. So there's the Fade Out, which is for no line colouring. Then you've also got Sweet Petunia Pink, Marigold Orange and Goddess Green. These are Ink on 3's Atelier ink pads, and these ink cubes have not been released anywhere else yet. So they are currently only available in this new paper crafting kit. You're going to get a 4x8 Summer Blooms stamp set that contains 8 beautiful floral stamps. It's just gorgeous, and you're going to get the coordinating die set as well that cuts out all of those images that you stamp. These are an exclusive mix of coloured clear crystals. They are just beautiful. They're called the Summer Sparkles mix, and they are gorgeous. You've got pinks, you've got sort of purples like lilac, greens, yellows, a little bit of blue. They're just beautiful, and they're perfect to go with the rest of the items in this kit. So you're also going to get a 4x8 product pocket for your stamp and die storage, so you can store your new Summer Blooms stamp and die sets in this storage pocket. Now, this is a new product. It will be coming soon to Trinity's website, but at the moment you can only get hold of this via this Summer Blooms set. So you really are getting some amazing exclusives. Really exciting. You're going to get a 12-piece collection of 6x9 papers. They are double-sided. You've got 2 sheets of 6 that are double-sided. So I'm just going to go through them all now quickly to show you both sides of each of those 6 sheets of paper. They're beautiful. So the stamp set and the paper, everything in this was designed by Melanie from Paper Star, and she's the same artist who illustrated our first Bloom 4x6 stamp set. So as a special offer, whilst this kit is available to celebrate it, we are going to be offering a 20% off if you purchase the First Bloom stamp and coordinating die sets with the First Bloom paper crafting kit. The Summer Bloom, paper crafting kit. So all you need to do is just put all 3 of those items into your basket and enter the code that you see on your screen. Awesome kit. The value is fantastic for what you're getting, and we love it. We had so much fun playing with it, and I'm going to show you a few of the design team's samples that we created. We all created a lot with this. It's a really inspiring and beautiful kit. Also, if you've not tried the Ink on 3 Atelier ink yet, then you are in for a treat. This is the first time that I tried them, and I am hooked. They're awesome. Now, we can't wait to see what you make with the kit. We can't wait to hear what you think about it as well. I hope that you have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Don't forget, you can check out some more videos on the screen now for you to have a look through if you want. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Stay crafty. Bye.